Hello students. In this video, we'll take a look at how to access your Excel projects and how to complete them and submit it for grading. Okay. So there are two projects that you'll have to do. To enter into SimNet, please make sure you are in Bronx CC, Bronx Community College, bronxcc.simnetonline.com, and then you'll be taken to this page. Make sure that you have the Bronx Community College on the top, as many other schools use SimNet. Make sure you're in the right college, and you enter your username and your password and click sign in. It takes you into this. As soon as you go in, make sure you are in the correct class. Okay, it will take you to your class, which is like this. So for example, you make sure you are in the correct class. I know a lot of students are using SimNet for business 110, data 33, data 10. For now, this class is data 10. So click on this and make sure you go to the correct class. If you're not able to go to the correct class here, go all the way to this side and say select another class. So you will find the list of all courses that you are using SimNet for. You might have joined Data 10 in a previous semester and not completed the course. So you may find that course also there, but you will have to select the current course. Let's say fall 2020, the current semester, 913. Let's say you are in the 913 section or 917 section. Make sure you select the correct class, okay? And when you go into the class, again, make sure you are in the correct class here, okay? 913D, fall 2020, and your instructor name should also be correct. As soon as you log in, you will see the projects here, right here, okay? This is access coursework that you need to complete. This is a different issue, but this is a project that you need to complete, okay? So click on this. Be ready to complete the exercise, okay? So click on that and start file. It'll immediately download a file. See, if you see here, it'll actually download a file for you right at the bottom here. It is an Excel file that you will have to start, okay? Let me just click on this and show you. So open that Excel file and then start doing all your instructions here, okay? The file is actually called San Diego Sailing 02. See, it has opened up right here. So it'll open up. So make sure you open the file and then it opens and then you start doing all the instructions. Okay. All this. And then when you are finished, it'll probably see your finished file will look something like this. Okay. So make sure you've completed all instructions. Take your time. But you cannot send it to somebody by email and then receive it back. Then it'll give you an integrity violation. So don't do that. See, this is the file. It opens up. It has your name on it. So it has certain markers that are very specific to you and your computer. So you'll have to complete these 3 sheets as per the instructions given here. Okay. And then when you are done, the completed file has to be uploaded here. Okay. So click on this and then upload that particular file that you downloaded and completed, not a blank file. If you submit a blank file, you will get a 0. So make sure you complete all the exercises by yourself and then upload your file. Click upload. I'll show you how to do that. Say, I downloaded the files, so it'll be in my downloads folder. Make sure you submit the correct file, okay? Several times students have contacted me and said, Professor, I submitted the wrong file. No, we cannot redo it, or you cannot do anything about it. So let's just see. When I go and upload my file, I will, one second please. Okay, so when you are done with all your instructions, you've completed this file, then go up, click on upload. Click upload my file. This is just like attaching a file to your email. So just click on upload. So it'll just take you to it'll ask you to browse and select your file, okay? It's just asking me to wait. Be a little patient and then make sure you select your correct file, okay? Normally my file is in downloads. Let me just go, or if it is not there, you might have to look for it, okay? If it is on recents or sort by date. There you go. This is my file. Okay, here you go. This is my file. Let's say I submit this one. I clicked it 3 times, so it downloaded 3 times, but just click it once. Let's say I submit the file. See, immediately wait until it uploads, and then when it is ready, yes, click submit the file. Okay, it'll automatically start grading your file. Again, wait until this process completes. and then you will get your grade there. See, because I did not do anything, it gave me a 0%, but it will also tell you where all you made mistakes. Let's say you get a red, that means it wasn't done. If you get an X, that means the task that is here, you made a mistake there. Okay, you can go back and correct it because I've given you 2 chances. There are 2 attempts where you could do that. Or you could just download the submitted file for grading and you can improve on that. You could go check all the mistakes, recorrect them and improve on your project grade. Okay, I want all of you to get 100% of your grades, but you will have to work for that. I've given you 2 attempts to do that. Okay, and then after you complete it, you can go back, see, and again upload your second attempt, because see, my first attempt I got a 0. Okay, so I've given you attempt of 2. So this is attempt 1 of 2. You will get another attempt to do it. So you will be able to go back and upload a second file. Okay, the second file is the same file, but you should have done all your improvements based on here. See, all this, it gives you a list of all the mistakes you made. If it is correct, you will see a green check mark here. A green check mark here means you did this task correctly and you got your points. Okay, if it is a red X, that means that task you made a mistake somewhere. You can go back and correct it and go back to the exercise and upload the corrected file. Okay, and then again same thing, submit it for grading and you will get a new grade. Okay, SimNet will always take the highest grade, so you don't have to worry about that. But the second time, if you get, let's say, less grade, by mistake you made a mistake again, you get less grade, it will still take the highest grade possible. Okay, so but just for you to give you a chance to improve on and get as many points as possible on your project, I've given you 2 attempts, so make sure you make use of that and complete this exercise. Okay, after you complete exercise 1, go back to your class. If you go back to your class, you'll be able to see your second exercise. Okay, there you go. See, this is your second. So the project has 2 exercises. You'll have to complete both of them by December 1st, 2020. Okay, it's the same thing again. You click on this, you download the file. In some files, you may need certain other resources, like another file. See, the completed file may need, if there is a logo or a color, if anything else is needed, an image is needed, they will also give it to you here in resource. So you could download the file and the resources that you need to complete this exercise. If you are using a Windows or a Mac, you can change this for the instructions. They will just change a little bit, but you can change them if you want. Okay, again, when you're complete with the second file, upload them here and grade it before December 1st, 2020. Okay, so that's your project. So your project will have 2 exercises that you have to complete, and make sure that you are completed. As soon as you log into your home page on SimNet, you should be able to see your project work. Okay, so if you see, as soon as you log into your SimNet, you will see the projects right here. Okay, and when you have completed both your attempts, this project will just be unavailable, meaning it will just disappear from your home page. So don't worry, nothing is wrong. Once you have completed and submitted, it will automatically disappear from here. Okay, that means you have completed, you're done with the exercise, and after December 1st again, it will disappear and you won't be able to see that again. Okay, so just make sure that you do your Excel project on time, because if you go back and look at your Blackboard class, it will tell you it has considerable amount of points for your final grade. All right, everybody. So I hope this helps. Make sure, and good luck to all of you. Thank you.